Hey, today we're going to be going over this Ford Mustang headlight that we've converted and upgraded. I think upon first glance you can notice we've painted the side this amber reflector holder or surround semi-flat black, as well as underneath the projector there's a little bit of black painted as well, and gives it a little slightly different look. Customer did opt to keep that amber reflector, although that can be painted as well. Now, factory projectors have been left, although they can be upgraded. We've installed the Dynamics Steven Eyes and the Dynamics color changing boards. So we can turn that on for you now. Those do have a pure white setting as well. So during the day and during your normal driving, you'll have them on white. You can run two controllers if you'd like, or you can run them on the same channel. And you can choose any of the colors that you'd like. But white amber would be okay to run. If you want to do red or blue, save that for the parking lot or the car show. But these are super bright, and Demon Eyes work really well in this factory projector because of all the reflectivity inside that original projector. So if you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check out the website. We've got these products available. You can customize your headlights, and we'd love to hear from you.